One of the major things Shove taught me when I met him, he said, poor thinking habits keeps most people poor. Not poor working habits. Most people work hard, but they don't think hard. And Shove taught me that the mind is like a factory, a mental factory. And whatever you think about all day long pours ingredients into this mental factory. And that's what builds the economic, social, financial fabric of your life.
What's going on, guys? Thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to show you how you can make a couple of $100 for free, people. All you have to do is just a couple of little tasks and you can get this free money. So the first thing I want you to go do is just download that link right down in the description, and it's going to prompt you to a page just like this. You guys go set up a Chase bank account. They're giving out $200 just for setting up an account, and you have to just make just a deposit. Deposit could be just a minimum of $1 deposit into the account, and once you deposit that money into the account, Chase is going to give you $200 bonuses. You guys, it's just that simple, guys. Do not sleep on this. You can get up to like maybe 10 referrals per year. So guys, that's exactly what I've been doing. I actually just been sharing my link with individuals, and you guys, you see they have been paying. This just shows me that people have been getting their $200 bonuses. You guys, this is so simple. Only thing I have to do is just been sharing it. Who wants to make $200 and start an account, you guys? And then they're gonna pay you $50 per person to get started. And say like you already have an account, get with me so I can get you your referral link. And if you want to make that $50 extra, just come over here to Facebook. And once you get your $200, let me just show you what you do. Come over here. Let me click on here. Let me do posts. You guys, let me show you what you do. Come over here. You guys, you see that? My first commission. I just made a post about it. And you see, it went viral. Guys, you see the caption. Want to make $200. You see? You guys, they've still been paying me. You guys, click the link below. You're going to get to a page just like this. Sign up. It's free to sign up. Just make that deposit, and they're going to give you the $200. And you just share your link. You're going to get $50 per referral. And say if like you get out there and you don't know how to really make it and capitalize on it, you guys, I want you to get my training. Because once you get started today, you're going to get my free training. Guys, I'm going to show you how to get started, how to do your Facebook, what groups to post in. I'm going to actually add some bonuses like my drop shipping and my credit repair, and how to basically build your credit so you can basically get out this situation you in. And of course, my copy and pasting ads that I have, I'm just gonna give you a lot of stuff. And here go my free money, man. Here go another way to make extra money. You guys, over $300 in free money just for signing up for these free apps. You guys, so powerful, man. You guys, go and get started. Get your Chase account. If you already got a Chase account, get with me so you can get your referral link so you can start making this money. So if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.